Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with the conditions on moon. There is no life on the moon. It does not have any water, or its surface is covered with layer of dust. It has mountains and huge round pits called as craters on its surface. The mountains and craters can be seen from the earth through a telescope. There is no atmosphere surrounding the moon. There are no winds, no clouds, and there is no rain. On the earth, the atmosphere absorbs a part of sunlight, so it does not become so hot during the day. But on the moon, as there is no atmosphere, it becomes boiling hot during the day. On the earth, the atmosphere retains heat at night, so it does not become very cold. On the moon, there is no atmosphere to retain heat, so it is freezing cold at night. Conditions of moon we will study in this topic, students. The conditions of moon, like has been told, we all know that there is no life on the moon. It does not have water, it does not have air. Its surface is covered by layer of dust. Lot of dust particles are there. But it has mountains and huge round pits called craters on its surface. And it has huge round pits called craters on its surface. The mountains and craters can be seen from the earth through a telescope. The mountains present in the moon and the craters means deep pits. ಹಳ್ಳ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೆಟ್ಟ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ಮೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತಂತೆ. ಡಸ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಧೂಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಏರಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮೂನಲ್ಲಿ. ವಾಟರ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಯಾವ ಲೈಫು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. There is no atmosphere surrounding the moon. Like it has been told, atmosphere ಗಾಳಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So there are no winds, no clouds and no rain. Because they don't have any atmosphere, there are no winds, ಗಾಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, clouds ಮೋಡ ಇಲ್ಲ, and there is no rain also. On the earth, the atmosphere absorbs a part of sunlight. So it does not become so hot during the day. ಮೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಟ್. ತುಂಬ ಕುದೀತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಥರ ಹೀಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಹೊತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತು ನೈಟ್ ಹೊತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಪಸ್ಸು ಹೀಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೀಟೂ. ಸೊ ನೈಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡು. ಮಂಜಿನ ಗಡ್ಡೆ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು, ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹಾಟು, ನೈಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಕೋಲ್ಡು. ಯಾಕೆ? ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಹೀಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಸೊ ಮೂನ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಟ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡೇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ freezing cold at night. Exploration of moon means trying to study the moon, going to moon, trying to know about moon is called as exploration of moon. Yuri Gagarin of Russia was the first human to go into outer space. All this happened in 1961. 8 years later, on July 1969, the American spacecraft Apollo landed on the moon. Neil Armstrong became the first human to step on the moon. Yuri Gagarin of Russia, first man to go into outer space. All this happened in 1969. 8 years later, in July 1969, the American spacecraft